Imagine this. A peaceful day suddenly shattered by a deafening boom. The ground trembles slightly, birds take flight, startled. The tranquility of the moment is broken, and an eerie silence follows the initial shock. People look up, searching for the source of the sound. Faces filled with confusion and curiosity, they scan the horizon, hoping to catch a glimpse of what caused the disturbance. But the sky is clear. Not a cloud in sight, just an expanse of blue stretching endlessly above. There's no plane, no explosion, no obvious explanation. The mystery deepens as the minutes pass, and still there is no sign of what could have caused such a powerful sound. This, my friends, is the enigma of the skyquake, a phenomenon that defies easy explanation and leaves even the most seasoned scientists scratching their heads. Skyquakes are a phenomenon that has puzzled people for centuries. Historical records and old newspaper clippings tell tales of these mysterious sounds echoing through time. They are heard worldwide, from the bustling cities to the quiet countryside. No place is immune to the sudden, startling booms that seem to come from the heavens themselves. These mysterious booms seem to come out of nowhere, leaving behind a sense of awe and a whole lot of questions. Conversations buzz with speculation, theories ranging from the plausible to the fantastical. The sound of a skyquake can vary. Some describe it as a deep, resonant boom, like a giant bass drum being struck in the sky. Some describe it as a deep, resonant boom, like a giant bass drum being struck in the sky. The sound waves ripple through the air, creating a sensation that is felt as much as it is heard. Others compare it to the roar of distant thunder or cannon fire. The comparisons are varied, but the impact is always profound. Whatever the description, one thing is consistent. The skyquake is a powerful and unsettling event. It shakes the very core of those who experience it, leaving an indelible mark on their memory. It's this very mystery that makes skyquakes so fascinating. They challenge our understanding of the natural world and remind us of the many secrets still hidden within our planet's atmosphere. They remind us that even in our age of scientific advancement, there are still things we don't fully understand. Scientists continue to study these phenomena, hoping to unlock the secrets of the skyquake. Each new discovery brings us a step closer, but the enigma remains, a testament to the enduring mysteries of our world. Simply put, a skyquake is a loud, unexplained booming sound heard coming from the sky. These sounds can be startling, often described as resembling a distant cannon fire or a sonic boom. They can occur without any warning, leaving those who hear them puzzled and sometimes even frightened. It's often accompanied by a feeling of pressure change, as if the air itself has been shaken. This sensation can be quite unsettling, as it feels like the atmosphere is momentarily disturbed, creating a sense of unease among those who experience it. Sometimes people even report feeling slight tremors in the ground. These vibrations can cause objects to rattle and shake, adding to the mysterious nature of the phenomenon. It's as if the Earth itself is responding to the enigmatic sounds from above. But here's the thing. There's no single universally accepted definition of a skyquake. Scientists and researchers have been baffled by these occurrences for years, and despite numerous studies, a definitive explanation remains elusive. That's because the phenomenon itself is still largely a mystery. Various theories have been proposed, ranging from natural atmospheric events to more unconventional explanations, but none have been conclusively proven. We haven't pinned down a single cause, and the reports vary widely in their specifics. Some suggest that skyquakes could be related to meteorological conditions, while others believe they might be linked to seismic activity or even underwater volcanic eruptions. Adding to the intrigue, skyquakes go by different names around the world. This diversity in terminology reflects the widespread nature of the phenomenon and the various cultural interpretations that have emerged over time. In Bangladesh, they're known as barisal guns. These mysterious sounds have been reported for centuries, often described as resembling distant artillery fire. In Japan, they're called uminari, meaning cries from the sea. These sounds are often heard along the coast, adding to the mystique and cultural significance of the phenomenon in the region. And in the eastern United States, they've been dubbed Seneca guns after the Seneca Lake region of New York, where they're frequently reported. These booming sounds have puzzled residents and scientists alike, leading to various local legends and theories. These regional names hint at the diverse interpretations and local folklore surrounding skyquakes. Each culture has its own way of explaining these mysterious sounds, often weaving them into local legends and stories passed down through generations. They remind us that for centuries people have tried to make sense of these strange occurrences, weaving them into the fabric of their cultures and beliefs. From ancient manuscripts to modern scientific studies, the quest to understand skyquakes continues, reflecting our enduring fascination with the mysteries of the natural world. Skyquakes have been reported on every continent, adding weight to the idea that this isn't just a localized phenomenon. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the bustling streets of London, the skies themselves seem to groan and boom. Reports often cluster around coastal areas, leading some researchers to focus on oceanic origins for these sounds. Could underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or even massive releases of methane gas be the culprit? It's a possibility that has been explored, but definitive proof remains elusive. But skyquakes aren't confined to the coasts. They've also been heard in deserts, mountains, and even over the Great Plains of North America. This widespread distribution suggests that the cause or causes of skyquakes may be more complex than we initially thought. The global nature of skyquakes tells us that we're dealing with something that's fundamentally connected to our planet, its atmosphere, and perhaps even forces beyond our immediate understanding. Section 4. Seeking answers in the skies and the earth. Throughout history, humans have looked to the skies and the earth to understand the mysteries that surround us. Scientists have proposed various explanations for skyquakes, ranging from the mundane to the extraordinary. These unexplained phenomena have puzzled researchers for decades, leading to a myriad of theories and hypotheses. Some theories focus on atmospheric phenomena, such as auroras and other natural light displays, while others delve into the depths of our planet, exploring geological activities like tectonic shifts and volcanic eruptions. One of the most common explanations attributes skyquakes to sonic booms created by supersonic aircraft. These aircraft travel faster than the speed of sound, causing a sudden change in air pressure that results in a loud, thunderous noise. When a plane breaks the sound barrier, it creates shock waves that produce a loud boom as they reach the ground. This phenomenon is well documented and understood, making it a plausible explanation for some skyquakes. However, many skyquake reports occur in areas with little to no supersonic air traffic, casting doubt on this explanation. These occurrences challenge the notion that all skyquakes can be attributed to human-made aircraft. Another theory links skyquakes to meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere. As these celestial objects streak across the sky, they can create sonic booms similar to those produced by aircraft. As these space rocks hurtle through the air at incredible speeds, they create sonic booms that can be heard for miles. This explanation accounts for some skyquakes, especially those accompanied by meteor sightings. While this explains some instances, it doesn't account for skyquakes that occur in the absence of meteor sightings or associated sonic booms. The mystery deepens as we consider other potential causes. Other theories suggest that skyquakes could be caused by solar flares, which are sudden eruptions of energy from the sun's surface, or distant thunderstorms, where the sound travels over long distances, or even the collapse of underground caves. These natural events can produce loud noises that reverberate through the earth and sky, potentially explaining some skyquakes. Each of these explanations has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, but none has emerged as a definitive answer. The scientific community continues to investigate, hoping to one day unravel the enigma of skyquakes. Until then, the skies and the earth hold on to their secrets, inviting us to keep seeking answers. Section 5. When science doesn't have all the answers. One of the biggest challenges in studying skyquakes is their unpredictable and transient nature. They occur without warning, making it difficult to have instruments in place to record and analyze them. And because they happen so quickly, gathering reliable eyewitness accounts can be difficult. The lack of concrete data has led to a proliferation of more speculative explanations. Some people believe that skyquakes are caused by secret government experiments, extraterrestrial activity, or even unknown creatures lurking in the depths of our oceans. While these theories are often dismissed as fringe science, they highlight the human desire to find explanations for the unknown, even if those explanations venture into the realm of the extraordinary. The fact that skyquakes continue to elude definitive scientific explanation is a reminder that our understanding of the universe is still incomplete. It's a humbling thought, but also an exciting one, as it leaves open the possibility of new discoveries and a deeper understanding of our world. Section 6. Could it be the weather, or perhaps something more? Some researchers believe that skyquakes are linked to atmospheric conditions. Temperature inversions, where a layer of warm air traps colder air near the ground, can create strange acoustic effects. Sound waves, instead of dissipating into the atmosphere, can bounce back towards the surface, creating amplified and unusual sounds. Lightning, too, has been suggested as a possible cause. While we typically associate lightning with thunderstorms, there's a phenomenon known as clear air lightning that occurs in the absence of visible clouds. These powerful electrical discharges could potentially generate the booming sounds associated with skyquakes, and then there's the ever-present possibility of unknown atmospheric phenomena. Our understanding of weather and atmospheric science is constantly evolving. It's entirely possible that skyquakes are caused by something we haven't even discovered yet. The search for answers continues, and while meteorological explanations offer some intriguing possibilities, the definitive cause of skyquakes remains elusive.